Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent phone app to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to go to notifications and quick settings menu. Next we need to tap the lock screen option. And here we have a list of applications that can send notifications to our lock screen. So we are looking for the phone app. Here it is. By default, all of them are on. As you can see, we have the one single button at the top if we want to. So we can allow or prevent phone app from sending notifications by using this switch right here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you and see ya.